Azpitia House is an architectural masterpiece that blends into the surrounding desert landscape. Located in the fertile valley of Azpitia, Peru, the house emphasizes local materials and traditional construction methods to strengthen the connection between humans and nature. One of its main features is a spacious terrace with a hollow wooden roof that allows light and wind to enter, creating a comfortable atmosphere amidst the dry climate. This area serves as a transitional space that connects the interior and exterior, while also being a place to enjoy the ever-changing landscape. The bedrooms are designed with a simple approach, but still provide maximum comfort. With large openings that face the desert landscape and the surrounding vineyards, this space creates a direct connection between the residents and nature. Natural lighting is its main element, where the morning sunlight enters gently through the wooden lattices, creating a calming play of light and shadow. The shape of the building follows the contours of the land, with a low and horizontal structure, giving the impression that the house is growing from the land itself. The materials used, such as stone and clay taken from the surrounding area, emphasize the relationship between architecture and nature. The bricks made by local craftsmen not only give the facade a unique texture, but also reflect centuries-old construction traditions. All these elements create a home that feels warm, natural, and rooted in the local culture. The interior design also emphasizes simplicity and warmth, with a color palette drawn from the surrounding natural elements. Stone floors, textured walls, and natural wood furniture add an organic feel to the space. With large openings that open to the open views, each corner of the home offers a different visual experience, making it a sanctuary that also invites interaction with the landscape. The Azpitia House is proof that architecture can be more than just a place to live. It can be a bridge between people and their environment. With an approach that respects local materials, culture, and climate, this home teaches that good design is not just about aesthetics, but also about how a space can shape the way we interact with the world around us. An inspiration for those seeking a home that is not only beautiful, but also meaningful.